Hey Cassie, thanks for giving me the opportunity to do this quick video. So I just wanted to share a few tips on how to get your business website ranked on Google's first page so that you guys are getting all that traffic from people looking for landscapers. So just jumping right into it, we're going to talk about three different sides of marketing. So you got backlinks, content, and citations. So when anybody comes and let's say, up here they search for landscaper Salt Lake City. So they're looking for landscaping in Salt Lake City. You're going to have your ads, which those are, paid ads. Ads are hit or miss because, some people have ad blockers on. And I think I'm actually on the second page. And then you're going to have this map pack right here. And come down a little further, and then it starts with the organic listings. So to get into these organic listings, to be number one, this is where they're looking for, Google is looking for backlinks and content. To be labeled an authority with Google, they look for 1,500 words of content. So we jump into your guys' website here. Um, you got some good stuff on here. You got all the products you guys use. Um, Contact pages quickly and ready, which is awesome. I actually threw so they don't, when they're talking about content, they only look for the home page. And so I threw in your guys' content in this word counter here, and you guys have 457 words of content, which means that's 1,000 more words of room that you guys could have to where you're putting in those keywords and those key phrases so that when people search those, Google sees that your website has those keywords and those key phrases, and they're going to push it to your website, or your website's going to pop up on that number one page and get that traffic. So that's content. The second thing when we're talking about these organic listings is backlinks, which backlinks are just other websites referring back to your website. So we use this tool called Ahrefs. It tells us, backlinks, referring domains, keywords, different things about a business's website. It's a paid program. There's a lot of other free stuff where you can look up backlinks and referring domains and stuff like that, but this one's just nice because it has it all in one place. But anyways, so Let's Talk Dirt.com is had that number one or two spot on that organic listings, and they have 574 backlinks. So they have 143 other websites that are linking back to this website, Let's Talk Dirt, 574 times. Now, we look at Terraworks, and you guys actually have more backlinks but less domains. Now, one thing with backlinks is they're not all created equal. So maybe in these guys' 574, they have some better quality backlinks versus your guys' 795. Now, what I mean by that is, we're talking about landscaping, another landscaping website referencing back to Terraworks landscaping is going to hold more power than, say, Pizza Hut referencing back to Terraworks landscaping. So maybe maybe that's the factor of why you guys aren't quite there on that number one page or in that top spot, or it could just be your content. You only have 500 words of content. I bet you if you got that up to that 1,500, you would be that much closer to taking those top spots on up here in Google. Let's Talk Dirt is right here. They got number two spot. Looks like Mott's Landscaping is number one. So to get here, again, that's That's backlinks and content. Now, the third thing I mentioned was citations. So you have this Google Map pack right here. And this is just another opportunity to get your name seen twice on Google's first page. So someone can look up Landscaper Salt Lake City, and they can not only see your name up here if you're #1 in the organic listings, but they can also see your name here. So that's 2 times that you're being seen on the first page of Google when anybody searches that. So to get up in these top places, Google's looking for citations, which citations is just your business name, address, and phone number as many times over the internet as you can. That's getting in any internet directory like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yahoo, Facebook, any of your local directories like local Salt Lake or Salt Lake County directory, whatever it might be. The more citations you have, the bigger your chance of taking these spots that you'll have. Um, so anyways, I don't want to go too long, but those are just the 3 quick tips that I wanted to share with you. Again, you guys can do this all on your own, which is totally fine. Yeah. Um, I would just ask that, if you guys ever do look at marketing or feel like you want to expand your business, to just keep me in mind and shoot me an email or phone call, and we can sit down and discuss things further. But anyways, thank you again for this opportunity, and hope to talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.